watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial, we will see how you can get histogram in data visualization. So in real life example, in the data visualization, histogram is very important. If you have the bunch of values, means the values are present in the range. So in that case, we use histogram. So first here practically you should know histogram. Histogram is a graphical display of data using bars of different height. In histograph, each bar group number into the range. For example, this is the histogram example. So these values are in the range. For example, it is from 100 to less than 150, then 150 to less than 200, then 200 to less than 250, like that. Means from 100 to 150, it will start with 100. And it will count all the values which are less than 150, means that will be equal to 149. Then for the next bar, it will count the value from exactly 150 to less than 200, that is 199. So in this way it will show you the comparison. So now here you got some idea about histogram. And now we will see practically how you can display histogram in Python programming. So here we are in the Python program and we have already added pyplot submodule and the NumPy library. So first here we will create the array. So my array is X, and then I will create some random value because here we have to specify the range of value. So here we have to write np.random dot choice, and here I want to get data from particular choice of number. So I will take the values from 1 to 10. So here we have taken total 10 values, starts with 1 and 10, and here I want total 10 values. Got it? Total 10 values I want. I am taking only 10. You can take 200, 1000. You can take the values in two-dimensional way. I am taking only 10 for your understanding. And then I have to print this value for your understanding. So I am printing with the array X, and then for getting histogram you have to write this pyplot alias dot histogram method, and we are taking the data from array X, and then finally we have to write plt dot show method. So by using this we will get the histograph. So in this example what happened, we will get the random number total 10 from the choice of number 1 to 10, and then on the basis of that you will be getting histogram, and in the histogram we are showing the particular number is for how many times. Okay, so now we will run this. Now dear student, we got the number like this 159, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers are there. Now here in the histogram we will see that suppose here 1 is only one time. So you see from 1 to 2 the number is appeared for only one time, and it will count the number from 1, it will not count the last number 2. Then from 2 to 3 it is checking 2 is for 2 times. So you see bar is height is up to 2. Then from 2 to 3 we counted 2. Then from 3 to 4 we have to check 3 is for 2 times. So it is up to 2. Then from here 4 to 5 there is no number 4. Sorry, here 4 is one time. So you can see here 4 is one time. And then from here 5 to 6. So 5 should be of 2 times. So here it is 1 and here it is 2. So it is for total 2 times. And if I go from 8 to 9, 8 is for only one time. So its height is one time. And the number 9 is also one time. So in this way it will show you the data. You can see the histograph for the more number also. Actually I have taken this for the smaller amount of number so that you can understand. You can do it for total 100 number also. So if I run this program, now you will be getting total 100 random numbers. You see. Now the histogram will be more powerful and we are getting the more data in the histogram. So in this way you can get the histogram in the PyPlot module. So I hope, dear student, you understood the data visualization using histogram. You have to prepare this for the range of values. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.